Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud we are going to talk about a really interesting premium project in North Bangalore, Ebony at Brigade Orchards in Devanahalli. In this video we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So basically this is a part of a huge 135-acre smart township by Brigade Group, and this particular phase Ebony is designed to be more exclusive and low density. It's spread across around 3.2 acres and has just 232 apartments across 4 towers, and each goes up to ground plus 8 floors. So it's not one of those crowded high rise, it feels more boutique and spacious. Plus, you are inside a township that already has over 80 acres of open green spaces, which is a big plus. Another interesting thing is that this township is not just residential, it's a full ecosystem. And there are already families living here, plus you have a school, retail space and even a proposed hospital coming up. New launches like Laurel for senior living and Maple for multi-generation homes are also part of this growing community. Location-wise, it's in Devanahalli, which is picking up really fast, especially because of airport connectivity. And the airport is just about 10 minutes away. STRR is around 5 minutes, and the major hubs like Aerospace Park and Hebbil are also easily accessible. So for frequent travelers or long-term investors, this location makes a lot of sense. And now coming to a lifestyle part, so this is where the project really stands out. You get access to a fully operational township setup with an 85,000 square feet clubhouse, resort style amenities, sport facilities, landscape gardens, cycling track, basically everything you need for a complete lifestyle without stepping out much. And in terms of configuration, the new launches inside the township includes Laurel and Maple Tower. Laurel is more focused on senior living with 1 and 2 BHK options, while Maple offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes suitable for families, and the pricing is roughly around 10,500 rupees to 11,000 rupees per square feet, depending on the tower and configuration. The booking process is also pretty straightforward and possession is expected around 2028 to 2029. Also, since inventory inside Brigade Orchards is limited, this could be one of the last chances you get into this township. So if you are looking for a well-planned township, good connectivity and a long-term investment in North Bangalore, then this is definitely something that you can consider. For more details, brochure or to schedule a site visit, check the link in the description. So if you enjoy premium property videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.